Thanks for joining me on our journey in discovering the language of the tarot. One short reading at a time. In this case, it's a slightly different way to learn the language of the tarot. But today's question for our 3-card reading is it in my best interest to go on a holiday to Bali? Here we have the 9 of Wands, Judgment, and the World. Again, I asking you how you would interpret these cards. Have a little think about it. The 9 of Wands appears first. It's generally a card of resilience, of boundaries, and being at the final stretch. You can see the guy's looks quite tired and weathered. In numerology, 9 presents completion and endurance, but also being a little guarded or tired from what you've been through in your life. It suggests that you might be entering this decision feeling cautious or protective of your energy, which is understandable. The next card is Judgment. A Major Arcana card, number 20. It is a powerful awakening card. It speaks of a life-altering decision in this particular case, clarity, and a call from your higher self. When a Major Arcana card appears in the middle of a position of a 3-card spread, it often shows the true heart of the situation. It's not a small choice. It carries spiritual weight and often spiritual transformation. So finally we have the World card, which is another Major Arcana, card number 21 in the deck. It's about completion, expansion, travel, and stepping into a new cycle. It is one of the strongest yes cards for journeys and life experience. It suggests this trip as a potential to bring closure, fulfillment, and a sense of wholeness. What's important here is the repetition of the Major Arcana energies through the Judgment and the World, showing this is a destined turning point experience. You are not being called towards you're being called towards expansion, not limitation. So the overall message in this reading is a yes, but this journey isn't just a holiday. It's a chapter ending, life shifting experience.